In this video I'm going to show you how to buy a Blizzard gift card very easily. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this website. Here you can get all kinds of different game keys, gift cards and all kinds of other stuff. Now what we need to do next is go to gift cards on the top interface. Then open that menu and then go to gaming gift cards. Scroll a little bit down till you will find the Blizzard option, then select that. And now you are opening this page. Here we can buy all kinds of different gift cards for Blizzard. So the next step is of course to select the preferred country. Let's say we live in the UK, then select that option and select it here. So select that, then save it and then make sure this checkbox is marked. Now all the available gift cards in the UK will be displayed. The next step is to search for the right currency which you would like to use, of course. We have different currencies available. For now I will go for the USD currency. As you can see we have a 10 USD option over here. Now select that option to open the gift card. Here you can select the preferred amount of US dollar. Now select the preferred one, let's say 20 USD. Then select it, add it to your card. And once it is added to your card you can go to your card. Then go to continue to payment, select that option. Now you can do the payment over here at this page. And once you have purchased this gift card on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for the gift card to use it very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!